Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am speaking as a field technician, not theory, only real fixes that actually work. The TV was perfect yesterday. Today, after a power cut, it is totally dead. No light, no logo, no display. Before you panic or replace parts, follow these exact steps. First step, power discharge reset. Unplug the TV power cable from the wall socket. Also, unplug set-top box, router, soundbar, and all HDMI cables. Now press and hold the TV power button, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This clears residual static electricity trapped in the main board. This single step fixes more than 40% of post-power cut issues. Second step, check wall socket and power strip. After a power cut, many sockets become unstable. Plug the TV directly into a different wall socket. Do not use extension or surge strip at this stage if the standby light does not turn on. The power supply is not getting proper input. Third step, inspect standby light behavior. No standby light means possible power board damage. Blinking standby light usually means protection mode. Solid red light but no display indicates main board freeze. These indicators help decide the next step correctly. Fourth step, soft reset using remote. If standby light is on, press power on the remote. Wait 60 seconds even if the screen stays black. Many smart TVs take time to reinitialize after voltage drop. Do not press buttons repeatedly. Fifth step, boot without internet and HDMI. Turn off the router temporarily to disable Wi-Fi. Disconnect all HDMI devices like PS5, Xbox, and set-top box. Power cut sometimes corrupts HDMI handshake data. Turning on the TV alone helps clear this conflict. Sixth step, try different resolution trigger. If TV turns on but shows black screen, press input or source button. Switch between HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and TV mode slowly. This forces the display processor to resync resolution. Seventh step, firmware corruption sign. If TV is stuck on logo or keeps restarting, firmware may be damaged. This happens frequently after sudden power loss. Only official USB firmware update can fix this safely. Never install random files from forums. Eighth step, when repair is mandatory. No standby light even after reset means power supply board failure. Clicking sound with no display indicates shorted component. In this case, board-level repair is required. Do not replace panel blindly. Panel rarely fails from power cut. Final advice, always use a good quality surge protector after repair. Power cut damage is common, but mostly recoverable. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next real-world fix video.